Life on Earth is ancient, but where did it truly begin? Could the first microbes have arrived from space, hitching a ride on a comet or asteroid? This theory, known as Panspermia, suggests that life did not originate on Earth, but was instead delivered from the cosmos. Scientists have long debated the origins of life, but evidence continues to build that space may have played a crucial role. Comets are icy bodies that travel through space, sometimes colliding with planets. They are composed of frozen gases, dust and organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Meteorites and comets have been found to contain amino acids, the essential components of proteins. If these molecules can form in space, could microbes have evolved there as well? The harsh conditions of space may seem inhospitable, but some microorganisms are incredibly resilient. Scientists have discovered bacteria on Earth that can survive extreme radiation, freezing temperatures, and even the vacuum of space. These extremophiles provide clues that life could endure interstellar journeys. In 1969, the Murchison meteorite crash-landed in Australia, carrying amino acids not found on Earth. This discovery suggested that organic materials could form beyond our planet. More recently, the Rosetta mission detected complex organic molecules on Comet 67P. If amino acids and organic compounds exist in space, could entire microbes have survived the journey? Some scientists believe that early Earth was too hostile for life to form spontaneously. Frequent asteroid impacts, high volcanic activity, and intense radiation would have made it difficult for fragile biological structures to develop. If life did not start here, it must have come from somewhere else. The idea of panspermia suggests that microbial life could have been ejected from a distant planet, carried by comets, and eventually deposited on Earth. If this is true, then life on Earth may have an extraterrestrial origin. NASA experiments have shown that certain microbes can survive in space for years. Tardigrades, microscopic creatures also known as water bears, can endure the vacuum of space and cosmic radiation. Bacteria have been found thriving on the exterior of the International Space Station. If microbes can survive in space now, they may have done so billions of years ago. Some believe that Mars may have been an early home for microbial life. Meteorites from Mars have landed on Earth, carrying chemical signatures that hint at biological processes. If Mars once had life, an asteroid impact could have ejected microbial material into space. That material could have traveled to Earth, seeding our planet with the first life forms. This concept, known as lithopanspermia, suggests that life spreads between planets through interstellar debris. If life can hop from Mars to Earth, it may also exist elsewhere in the universe. Some of the oldest fossilized microbes on Earth date back over 3.5 billion years. At this time, Earth's surface was still turbulent, with a harsh and unstable environment. Yet microbes managed to flourish in deep-sea hydrothermal vents. Could they have originated from an extraterrestrial source? One possibility is that comets bombarded Earth, bringing water and organic material. Water is essential for life, and many scientists believe that early Earth lacked enough water to support life's emergence. Cometary impacts could have delivered both water and the necessary chemicals for life. Even today, astronomers detect organic molecules in the vast clouds of interstellar space. If the building blocks of life exist throughout the cosmos, then life itself may be widespread. Experiments on Earth have shown that certain bacteria can survive simulated space travel. One study exposed bacterial spores to intense radiation and vacuum conditions, and many survived. These findings suggest that microbes could endure a journey from one planet to another. If life on Earth began elsewhere, what does that mean for the search for extraterrestrial life? If comets can transport life, they may have seeded other planets as well. Mars, Europa, and Enceladus all have environments that could support microbial life. If we find life on another planet, it may be genetically related to life on Earth. Some researchers propose searching for biological markers on asteroids and comets. If we find ancient microbial fossils in space, it could confirm that life is not unique to Earth. The discovery of alien microbes would be one of the most profound scientific breakthroughs in history. It would suggest that life is a cosmic phenomenon, not confined to a single world. Some skeptics argue that life likely began on Earth through chemical evolution. They point to experiments like the famous Miller-Urey experiment, which showed that organic molecules can form under prebiotic conditions. Yet the presence of complex organic molecules in space raises the possibility that life's ingredients were delivered rather than created here. If microbes traveled across space, they may still be doing so today. Future space missions may help us answer these profound questions. Upcoming probes to Europa and Enceladus will search for signs of life beneath their icy crusts. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are scanning distant exoplanets for signs of biological activity. If we find evidence of life beyond Earth, it may reshape our understanding of our own origins. Some researchers speculate that comets may still carry life, frozen in deep space for billions of years. If microbes exist in interstellar space, they could be the seeds of new worlds yet to form. Life, in this view, may be an inherent part of the universe, waiting for the right conditions to emerge. Could Earth's first microbes have arrived on a comet? The evidence suggests that it is possible. We may never know for certain how life began on our planet. But by studying space, comets, and microbes, we are getting closer to understanding our cosmic origins. If life came from the stars, then perhaps we are all, in some way, children of the cosmos. The journey to uncover life's true origins is only just beginning. And as we explore the universe, we may find that life exists in places we never expected. The search for extraterrestrial life continues, driven by one fundamental question: are we alone?